Hello students, this is Sushil Misra and today I am with the next video of the same chapter, that is real numbers, and today we are going to solve some questions based on Euclid division algorithm and by using prime factorization. So today we are going to find out the SCF of the two number with both the methods, and we will see what are the differences while solving with the prime factorization and with the help of Euclid division algorithm. So let us take one example. So my first example, or here I am writing HCF, at least heading HCF. So my first question is find HCF of 96 and 404. Okay, find the HCF of 96 and 404. So here I am solving firstly by prime factorization. So in prime factorization, as you know, what we are doing, we are taking factors 248, 224, 212 and 26, 23 and 31 and 404 also. So 202, then 101, and make sure 101 is prime number. So this will be like this. So here 96 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, and then 404 can be written as 2 into 2 into 101. And for SCF, from the earlier classes you are studying the common part, this one pair and that another pair. So SCF is what? 2 cross 2, that is 4. So by prime factorization we got the answer 4. And now the same question we are going to solve with using Euclid division algorithm. So here I am writing by Euclid's division algorithm. So here, as you know, I said A equal to 404 because A must be greater than B and B must be equal to what? 96. So by, as we know, A equal to BQ plus R. A equal to BQ plus R, and where R must be greater than or equal to 0 and less than B. So here you can see 404 is equal to, value of B is what? 96. 96 4 ja, because 100 into 4 400, so near about we can understand already, it will go to the 4 times. So 4 6 ja 24, carry to 4 9 ja 36 and 2 38, means 384. So 16 for and 420, so that remainder will be 20. And earlier I said क्या होता है, जो b होता है वो डिविडेंड बनता है, जो डिवाइजर होता है वो डिविडेंड बनता है, जो रिमाइंडर होता है वो डिवाइजर बनता है. सो दिस नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, नेक्स्ट स्टेप विल बी 96 मस्ट बी इक्वल टू 20 इंटू 4 प्लस 16, 80 प्लस 16 96. नाउ दिस 20 मस्ट बी इक्वल टू व्हाट? 16 इंटू 1 प्लस 4, 16 में 16 प्लस 4 20. Then now 16 is equal to, this will be here 4 into 4 plus 0. So now your remainder has become 0, and I said in the last video, जिस भी स्टेप में r की वैल्यू 0 के इक्वल होगी, उस स्टेप का डिवाइजर, उस स्टेप का divisor, that will be your answer. So if you will compare A equal to B Q plus R, so divisor is what? B. So therefore SCF must be what? 4. SCF must be 4. So likewise you can solve, this will move to here and this will be here, then again this will be here, this will be here, okay, and this will be here, so this will be here. So this is the way of finding the SCF by using Euclid division algorithm. And if you can remember, in fourth or fifth class we were doing what we were doing, here only I am showing, we were doing something like this, if you can remember. you are doing like this. Is this the same like this only? So this was division method. This was long division method for finding out the SCF. So it is also similar only. So no problem. You are well known with this kind of idea to find out the value of SCF of the given two numbers. I think so you understand. You can solve so many questions. You practice at home, work hard. Thank you.